Part two of the three-part series of falls that I have done over my life as a clumsy ass girl. This is the headbutt toddler fall. You heard it right, okay? Disclaimer, no child was harmed. I was harmed. And more emotional damage, but we'll get into that. So, I was a young teen in the streets of central London, somewhere around Regent Street. I'd just gone out with a group of friends for some shopping. On our way home, we went to the bus stop to get the bus. So one person yelled, "The bus is coming." So as you do, we start legging it. Then I trip over God knows what. My legs, the air, misfortune. I don't know, but I tripped over something. So I trip. I'm now in the air falling. See, as I'm falling, on my way down, my there's a woman, a mother, standing at the edge of the sidewalk with her small child. As I'm falling now, my head slams into the back of this poor child. Luckily, it wasn't the full force of my body. It was more my head just grazed the back of that child. I fall completely flat on my side. I look up at this mother and child who are looking down at me with utter disgust. The woman gave me such a look of disdain. She clutched her child and they walked away. They crossed the road as I was just on the floor whispering, "I'm so sorry." I was mortified. I don't remember how long I was on the floor, or I think my friend pulled me up, but I was just utterly embarrassed. My friends laughed at me and they've never let me forget that day. Like, if you like this story, bye.